Well, hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at hyperlapses, and then we will go to the computer afterwards, and I will show you how to put a hyperlapse together. If you go back to my video of timed shots, which would have been a few videos ago, I said that I will do a hyperlapse one to show you that more images makes a better sort of time-lapse, hyperlapse type video. So let's get on with the video. Right, drone up in the sky, and then we will set up hyperlapse.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
We're going to go up. Quite high. 80. That should be plenty high enough. First hyperlapse I'm going to do is we will do a hyperlapse of, let's go up a little bit higher, just to down a little bit, 80 meters. 80 meters, there we go. Right, now what we need to do is, we need to come to the film reel above the red button there. Go down till you get to hyperlapse. Just move the record button out of the way, the screen record button. You can set the interval length, so how many seconds between each photo it takes. So I'm going to keep that on 2 seconds. It takes a photo every 2 seconds. The length is what we really need. So you see what I mean by when I said in that timed video previously that 9 seconds of a 9-second hyperlapse, it'll take 7 minutes and 31 seconds, and it'll take 225 photos. So we're going to do a 12-second one, which is 300 photos. I always shoot in a 4K RAW. You can set the speed, which, yeah, I don't bother with the speed. And then you just hit the red button there, and it'll start taking photos, and obviously it'll take 10 minutes to do it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to stop the screen recording, and I shall come back near the end. Well, as you can see, it's nearly done. It always says it's ready to complete about 15 photos before it's actually ready to complete. So just leave it, as you're going to say, about 15 photos before.
Hyperlapse is ready to complete.
It always says it 15 images before. There we go. It's now creating the video, which I will show you in a second.
Video created successfully.
you go to the play button, it's created a video there. It's actually created 300 photos, but they don't show up in here. I tend to always delete the video the drone creates and just keep the photos and then edit them and do it that way. But for the purpose of this video, we will keep the video file. I've got a little bit of battery left, so I'm going to quickly do a photo for the thumbnail. I'll just do where the drone's positioned. So yeah, that photo there is for the thumbnail. Give that a chance to save. And then we'll do another shorter one once that's saved. Let's get the drone into position and just see what we can. They're doing some building a pond in that lady's garden. Right, we'll do a shorter one there. So back to Hyperlapse. With Hyperlapse you can do free, circle, course lock or a waypoint one. I always just do free. The course lock, the drone will just keep on going until it's finished, so it tends to go out of sight. Circle, I find it doesn't always complete the full circle. And waypoints is obviously how waypoints work, so it will take the photos in the set route that you set on the waypoint. So yeah, we'll just do 3, and then we're going to change the length of the. We'll do a 5-second one, because yeah, got enough battery for that. So I'm going to do a 5-second one. And go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that do that, and then I shall come back just before it's finished. I'm nearly complete now. As you're about to see, 15.
Hyperlapse is ready to complete.
There we go. 15 photos before it's completed. It always is ready to complete, and it just isn't. You might as well let it finish the last 15 images. Now what I'm going to do is quickly, I've got 34% on the clock.
Successfully.
So I'm gonna do another AEB photo. So I can choose between the two for a thumbnail. So I'm going to do one here. And that is basically how Hyperlapse works. So I will bring the drone back and see you at the computer. Well, we're now at the computer, as you can see. What we're going to do tonight is we are going to put this video together, and I'll show you how to create the hyperlapses. Obviously that's one the computer done, so I will keep the that's another one the computer done, the drone done, sorry, computer. That's another one the drone done. But we're gonna edit the photos and puzzle the video together. So what we're going to do is I'm going to process them in DxO Pure Raw 6. And what I shall do is I will fast forward the progress, because it it just goes for each photo and removes any noise, and then I'll come back when it's finished. Well, I'm having to hold the action camera up to the computer because I'm having a few issues with screen recorder while Lightroom's running. Basically, you load all your photos into Lightroom after doing the DxO Pure Raw. That's the way I do it, because I find the denoising in Pure Raw better than Lightroom for batch photos like this. And then once all your photos are in, you just select image 1. Just select image 1, develop, edit your photo how you like it, come back to the library, right click, and then go down to develop settings, copy the settings, check all, copy, right click. Once you've once you've done the copy the settings for that, you then select image 2, Control A, deselect image 1. So you should have, say on this, so you should have 299 photos selected. You then come back down, developer settings, paste settings, and it'll paste your same settings as photo 1 on the other 299 photos. And then I will show you the video editing bit of it in just a moment. So yeah, I'll see you in the video editor. Right, now what you've got to do is open Power Director, which is what I use. You then come to Power Director, Tools, Slideshow Creator, import files. You can do from folder, but because I've put the videos, the drone created along with the photos, so the unedited version, I've put them in the right folders, it's going to end up importing that as well. So I suggest I select the image 1, come to videos to sort out that one there, Hyperlapse, and then select all 300, click open, give that a moment to import. I'm sorry about that screen recording previous, but I'm not too sure what went on with that. Right, now it's done that, you click next, time lapse, next, and as you can see, that's now my edited photos turned into a hyperlapse. Don't know why it's froze there, but yeah, it won't be frozen the original when it's saved. So now you click export. And then Hyperlapse 1. I always copy the name so we can export that. Just got to open new window. Quickly save that. I'm not too sure what went on with that screen recording, because it bugged it right up. Right, now clear all this out of here. Go back to there and get rid of that lot. I don't keep the photos. Okay, what's the place? Silly buggers. So we'll just close this a minute, minimise that, try again, then it'll delete those. I don't know what it's trying to do. Right, now we're going to move that one to there. So that one there's the unedited one, and that's the edited one. So now we can come back and do the same again with this folder. So new project. Tools. I'm clicking on the wrong buttons here. Image. No, we don't want to do a folder, do we? We want to do files. And then select that one. Control A. Open. You probably can do the folder way because it don't select any videos anyway, any picture formats. Right, so that's imported all those. Time lapse next. And that's going to be the edited photos. You can see how much the drone was blown around. I don't know why it's got stuck again there, but we're going to go to next, paste, export, select the name. Trouble is I've moved the video file and I sent off, so I'll have to do the name again. Hyperlapse 2, export. Once it's done this, we can then puzzle the whole video together. Which I am not going to bore you with. So, actually I will film me doing the video. Let me just close this a minute so I get rid of all those apart from that. See, unedited, edited. Right, now we need to go back to here. Obviously those I've already edited off thing. They're going to be, one of these I'm going to choose for the thumbnail. Probably this one. Right, now then. We will drag this file in, paste it out, drag that into there, and then just drag it into the timeline. I don't know why I've opened the Windows Store by mistake. That's 3 minutes long. 3:11. 3:11. So we'll drag that one in. You then come back to there, and we need this screen recording here, which we're going to drag in under there, and right click on that bottom one, advanced overlaying, and we'll fade it out. Right, come to the end of here. That was this file, wasn't it? So this one. We will keep the video file. Okay. So that's 3 minutes 51, which goes for that one. So, we'll drag that into the top there, bring it over. Then we need to drag in this screen recording here, which will go here, and it should automatically do it once you've done it once, so we don't need to mess about with that. That one's 129, 129, right, so let me just drag, let me drag it up to the top a minute. Right, I'm going to continue editing this video, and I shall come back shortly and yeah, I'll come back shortly. Right, well, sorry about that, I just needed to run to the toilet quickly. But yeah, you kind of get the drift of how to puzzle the video together. I've shown you how to do the Hyperlapse and all that wonderful stuff. So if you've enjoyed that one, please press the thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.